today we have a solar light to show you. It's a floodlight from Richarm, and it has 25 super bright LEDs. Now, this solar light comes with a remote control. That's always handy to have with these things. It has 25 LEDs to provide 300 lumens, and it offers a 120-degree angle. This right here is adjustable, so you can change it to whatever position you like. And you can mount it different ways, which I'll tell you in a second. So this unit can provide 8 to 10 hours of continuous illumination, and it's waterproof and is rated IP65. This is a very heavy duty waterproof, so if you spray it with a hose or it's just a downpour of rain wherever you may be, it's going to be fine. It's going to be protected, and it's going to be great for your outdoors. The one thing I do like about this light is that it can be installed multiple ways. There is a wall mount bracket, so you can put it on your fence or other structures, and of course you can place it on the ground with the solar light with you. So here we have the mount, and as you can see, these screws would go in here for you to place on your fence, your house, anywhere you want to hang it up. And the same thing does go for the solar panel as well. All of the materials for you to do that are located in a plastic baggie that is provided. Most solar lights must be installed on a house or a wall, so I do like the ability to be versatile with this particular solar light. Now, this IR remote control allows you to turn the light on or off, or use a timer for when it's outdoors. Alright, so this is the IR remote control. We haven't put this outside yet to test the device yet, but we're going to right after this, but I decided to talk to you about the remote. So the red button we have here on the top is the light sensor button. You can turn that on or off. The yellow right here is the power off button for the device. Now right underneath that we have 3 buttons ranging from 30%, 60%, and 80%. That is to control the brightness of the light itself, so you can go dim with 30 or really, really bright with 80%. Right underneath those 3 you have 2 buttons, the plus and minus buttons, to adjust and customize your brightness. And then we have about 8 buttons down here where you can use it to have a timer with this light, and it ranges from 1 hour to 8 hours. You also have an auto button as well. The auto button you use to charge during daytime and for it to come on at night. So it does come with an instruction page, and you will be able to find any helpful tips or questions or the basic usage on here if you have any confusion. Alright, so I'm going to put this outside to charge and check back later to try it out. Alright, so we are now outside. It is pretty dark out. We have a flashlight here to show you how long the wire is
between the solar panel.
Yeah, between the solar panel and the light. As you can see, it's very long. So this is if you're in an area where you want the solar light somewhere, but the panel a little farther away. That's a great idea. It's basically meant for that.
So now we're going to turn off the spotlight and show you how the solar light works.
Alright, so the light is now on the ground, as you can see. It's dark outside, and here you go. Here, it's right on. It's very bright.
I can't even see the remote, but okay, here we go.
It's very bright. you might see that a lot of the light is on the ground, yet it still shines pretty bright. But once you pick it up, or maybe mount this somewhere, it's even brighter. Wow, that's very bright.
Yeah, I'm not sure how well the camera's picking it up because it's always difficult to do a video in this much darkness, but pretty good level of brightness.
Yeah, that's great for
security.
Yeah. Now once again, that's all the way off without any light. And that's it back on. I'm gonna dim it.
Okay, I believe this is 30%.
So this might be 30%.
I'm pushing the 30% button. And now 60.
That's 60%.
And there's 80%.
And that's 80% brightness.
Now if I touch the plus brightness and hold it all the way, I'm not sure if it makes a lot of difference between 80% and I assume that means 100% to go off. It's a little unclear, but okay, so again, I'll read it off. On 30%. On 60% brightness level. And the button that says 80%. Like that. I'm going to push the plus brightness.
Okay, so that is all we have today for the Richarm solar light. Check the description section below to find more information about it. Thanks for watching, guys.